Keys, the gateway to dreams. Your favorite Michigan Realtor at gmail.com. Develops a plan to achieve your dream. Pitch the roadmap, gotta hit them with finesse. Words so clean, they don't make a mess. Jim's on the throne, real estate's the crown. West enjoy magic, turns the game around. Tips and tricks, his insights are the best. Bring so much value, they respect what's coming next. Let's make it offer. Their steps, no sweat. Jim Marshall's in the house where your voice gets heard. Bet draft a sharp, make an offer so tight. This is your best shot any day or night. All within guidelines, offer on the way. Hitting home runs any time of the day. No fluff, no spam, bring facts to the table. If you stick with me, you will be more than able. Add some flair, but don't overdo. Keep it professional, but let it be you. ECO sprinkles, headlines that gleam. Elevate the post like a skyscraper's dream. Shoot your shot, email's the key. Subject line is popping, make them all agree. Attach that doc, keep it pristine. Follow up is needed until they all agree.